High quality, premium die-cast aluminum alloy material protect the base mounting brackets from rust and corrosion. Past physically tested ensures many years lifespan. Adjustable bracket. The max adjustable angle of the mounting bracket was 45 degree. Also can be free slide in the back of LED light. Allow you to change the direction of light beam, lighting every corner. Easy to install. Mounting the brackets on your LED light and tighten anti-loose screws, need not worry about fall down and shaking. Wide application. Fit for 4-inch to 54-inch LED pods and LED light bars, suitable for most kinds of car, off-road. Jeep, truck, 4WD, SUV, ATV, UTV, farming, tractor and so on. Package included: 2PCS base mounting brackets, screws, bolts and mounting tools. Specification. Name: Nilight 2PCS base mounting brackets. Item type: car accessories. Material: metal. Color: black. Applicable product: apply to most slide-mounted LED light bars, 18W, 36W, 72W, 108W, 126W, 162W, 198W, 234W, 252W, etc. Package includes 2PCS base mounting brackets, screws, bolts and mounting tools. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Had a bracket break on one of my reverse lights that are mounted under my bumper. I accidentally backed into a bush at a doctor's office. New bracket set arrived quickly and was a perfect match for what I needed. Would buy again if I ever need to replace it again.